Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, our question is calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 17,000 in 3 years when the rate of interest for successive years is 10%, 10%, and 14% respectively. So this is the question. So now solve this. So this question will be a simple interest formula, and the question is given that for first year the rate of interest is 10%, for second year also 10%, and for the last or the third year it is 14%. So let's start. So we write for first year the principal that is equal to 17,000. Rate of interest is given the question 10% for first year, and the time will be equal to 1 year. So now therefore write the SI for first year, that means the interest for first year will be equal to, so formula is PRT by 100, that means principal into rate into time by 100. So you put the values 17,000 into 10 into 1 by 100. So we cut the zeros first. So remains rupees 1700 or 1700 is the interest for the first year. So now I write that the amount at the end of first year, so that means it is the amount plus the principal plus the SI. So it will be equals to principal plus SI. Principal is 17,000 plus SI, that is 1700. It will be equal to rupees 18700. So therefore this is the amount at the end of the first year. So now I write that for second year the principal will be equals to, so now for the second year the principal will be equals to the amount at the end of first year, that is 18,700. So that 18,700 rate is equal to, so for second year also in the question it is given 10%. So that 10% time is equal to 1 year. Second year there is only 1 year. So therefore write SI for second year will be equal to, same formula, PRT by 100. So PRT by 100 means 18,700 into 10 into 1 by 100. So cut the zeros. So remains rupees 1870. So therefore this is the interest for the second year. So now I write that the amount at the end of the second year so same formula, that is principal plus SI. So principal is our rupees 18,700 plus SI, that is 1870. So it becomes rupees 1,570. So therefore this is the amount at the end of the second year. To find out the interest for this third year, so for that we write that for third year principal will be equal to, so the principal that is at the end of, the amount that is at the end of the second year will become the principal for the third year. So our principal for the third year is 20,570. So rate of interest, it is in the question it is given that for the last year it will be 14% and time will be 1 year. So now therefore the SI for the third year will be equal to, same formula, PRT by 100. So our put the values 20570 into 14 into 1 by 100. So you cut the zeros. So now I will not cut anymore, as it will be easier, as at the down it is 0. So we will just do 2057 into 14, which will be equal to 20798. So we have, it is 2057 into 14. So now by 10. So now by 10 you all know that it will go to one decimal place. So therefore it will become rupees 2079.8. So as it is rupees, so you give one more 0. So it becomes 2079.80. So therefore this is the interest for the third year. So now we find out the amount at the end of third year? So it will be the principal plus SI, which will be equal to, so principal is 20570 plus 2079.80, which will be equal to rupees 23,449.80. So therefore this is the amount at the end of the third year. So now our final task is you have to find out the compound interest. So for that we write, therefore CI or the compound interest will be equal to, so the formula is amount minus the original principal, that means from the principal from which you start the question, that is 17,000. So now I put the values. Amount is 23449.80 minus the original principal, that is 17,000, which will be equal to rupees 6,449.80. So therefore the amount at the end of the third year is 23,449.80 and the compound interest is 6,449.80. So these are final answer for this question. So guys, thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel for more solutions.